Today is lesson 5.3, problem solving using distributive property. Our problem of the day is which is an example of the commutative property of multiplication. I know the commutative property of multiplication is when the factors are just switched. So let's look through the options. So 9 equals 9 times 1. That can't be right. 0 times 6 equals 0. That is the 0 rule. 3 times 6 equals 9 times 2. That can't be it because the factors have to be the same. And D, 3 times 6 equals 6 times 3. This is the commutative property, letter D, because the factors, all they do is they switch spots. Today with the distributive property, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be looking at grids. So our problem is 3 times 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down 3 rows in the grid. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to count over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here is my first one. I'm going to be separating that 20 into two 10s like I've shown at the top of the screen. So 3 times 20 equals 3, and then 10 plus 10 in the parentheses. So there's my first 30. And then I'm going to do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to make another box of 10. We know from our prior lessons that 3 times 10 is 30. So this is 30 and this is 30. So when I have 3 times 20, I can break the 20 into two 10s to make it easier to multiply. So 3 times 10 and 3 times 10, and then I can just add them. So 30 plus 30 equals 60. So the diagram here shows 60. I want you to now try 4 times 20. Make sure to draw this and write it down on a Post-it and turn it in.